pulse beneath the silence. A low drone hum, a pulse beneath the silence. I hear a tremor in the void, a restless tide. A broken mirror shatters, fragments slipping sideways. The sky is bruised, the horizon folds into steel. My thoughts collide like meteors that never land. Every heartbeat counts the seconds to the fall. A phantom echo pulls the veil from my skin. The sound of a sonic blast, a thunder that rises the spine of the night. It rips the walls I built, unveils the hidden scars, and drags the shadows of my doubts into the void. Into the void. Of endless glass, reflection staring back with eyes that never sleep. The wind is silent, yet it shouts the names I whispered, a chorus of the lost, a choir of forgotten vows. The silence hums, a static that never sleeps, and in its roar I feel the fissure widen. Sound of a sonic blast, a wave that crashes through the hollow of my chest. It tears a curtain, burns the ash of yesterday, and leaves a scar that shines in every breath. There's a pulse beneath the surface, a secret that never dies. When the world collapses into itself, the echo stays, a reminder that the darkness is just a canvas for the raw. Distant hum that lingers in the dusk. It's the promise of a sunrise that never cleans the sky, a reminder that the silence is only a breath away. And the echo fades, but the tremor lives inside. A pulse that never dies.